Today on Texas Lexus, we explore beautiful Utah. The hills are alive with beautiful Utah. What direction are we going right now?
We are going inside north.
Are you sure?
What are we facing?
Is that?
We're facing west.
One of those is Mount Baldy, I think.
Mount Baldy? Should I be inside this video?
Sure, dude.
Is this one?
Mount Baldy.
Okay, so Carrie is about to drive around the bend and check things out for a minute. I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing something cool. That's what I know. Oh, there he is, right there. See him? He's coming around here. He's going to park soon, I think. Okay, here he comes. He's going to park.
There he does, dude.
Wow.
Good narrating.
What's up, Texas Lexus friends? Oh, wow. Look at that. First thing we find on the trip. I'm assuming that's a coyote jawbone. Where's the rest of it? Today we are outside of Camas, Utah. Actually, Hanna, Utah.
Yeah, where is the rest of the bone?
I don't know. But we're taking this home. It's pretty cool, huh? Let's give it some gold teeth when we get home.
Why gold teeth? If you could maybe paint them a different color.
We can make it for Julian's wedding. I think he'd like a jawbone with gold teeth. I think it'd be pretty cool looking.
Look, there's a dirt tornado. We see a dirt tornado.
Alright, so we're on Soapstone Basin. This is barely worth filming. It's essentially a logger road. So, you know, pretty much every car I've ever owned in my life could go up this road and come back. We're gonna see if there's anything else farther ahead. Found this little ATV mud pit area. You do a lot of dumb stuff here. Let's get started. You know, if you're up in the Uinta Mountains, there's not much off-roading, like real off-roading. There's dirt trails, there's non-roads, which are off-road, but it's nothing like you're gonna find in other parts like Grantsville or Moab or American Fort Canyon, Skyline. Is that Skyline Drive? Is that what we did that one time? I don't know, real rocks, right? So anyways, it's a nice place to come out and camp, do some motorcycling, but not really a major off-road spot.